Now, how do you write the equation of a circle? Right, there's another thing that you could find in coordinate geometry. We have been discussing on equation of line. So what to do with the circle? So let's say I'm talking about a circle like this. And what is, there's the equation of a circle, also how we have equation for a line, again with the x and y obviously variables. What you need to know is first the center. Let's call the center, let me call this as a comma b, right? And then I also need to know the radius of the circle. That should be some value, right? Like this length, this distance is what you're talking about. This is the radius. The formula for a circle would be this: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. This is the equation of a circle. So if I know center and the radius, I can say the answer, right? X and y would be there, so you'll get in x square, y square, x and y also. So that is how the equation would look like. Don't worry about that. Let's say I'm talking about equation of a line of center being this origin. Let me draw a circle like this, okay? And the radius is 1. What is this? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to 1 square. So the answer is x square plus y square is equals to 1 is the equation of the circle, which is this, right? Which is touching all 1, 1, 1. Yeah, with the origin as the center. If the center was something else, I need to put that, and obviously I'll get a relatively bigger and longer equation. Let's look at an example to understand that. So let's say I have a is 2 comma 4 and b is minus 4 comma 2 at the 2 points. AB is the diameter of the circle. So A is here and B is minus 4 comma 2, and the AB is the diameter. I need to draw a circle like this, right, with that being the diameter. First and foremost, as I said, I need to know the radius, I need to know the center, right? So how do I know the center? You know, the midpoint of the diameter is the center, right? So I know A is 2 comma 4 and this is minus 4 comma 2. Let's find this center C. So C can be found by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is the formula for the midpoint. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. This is 3. So this is 1 point, minus 1 comma 3, right? Now I also need to know the radius. Radius is basically find the distance AB, that's the diameter, half of it is radius. So let's find the distance AB. Square root of x2 minus x1, so minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 square is 36, plus y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 2 square is 4, so 36 plus 4 is square root 40. So that's the radius, so that's the diameter, right? What is the radius? Radius is diameter by 2. So square root 40 is square root of 4 into 10, that will turn out to be 2 root 10. So 2 root 10 by 2 is, they get cancelled out, root 10 is the radius. I know the center, so the formula says x minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equals to r square, that is root 10 square. That is, this one is taken care, root 10 square is 10. X minus of minus 1 is x plus 1 square. So you know a plus b whole square, right? X square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1 plus y square plus 3 square minus 2 into y into 3. So the equation will finally turn out to be x square plus y square plus 2x minus 6y is equals to 1 square plus 3 square is 9 plus 1 10, and that is also 10, right? So it's basically 0. This is how it is coming out to be. That is the equation of the circle. Now something that you also can do is this, that if I give you a point, let's call this, okay, see, I've already taken its center, right? Okay, let me call this to the center. Let me rather call this D, okay? There's a point D. Where is that? Generally a point can be outside the circle or inside the circle or on the circle. These are the only 3 possibilities. How do I find if a point is inside or outside or, you know, on the circle? If I know the equation of a circle, right? Obviously one way I can do is simply this, okay? I know the center, find the distance between the center and the point. If that is more than radius, it is outside. If it is less than radius, it is inside. If it is equal to radius, it is on the circle. That is one way to do, right? What am I talking about? What is the center? Minus 1 comma 3. See the distance between minus 3 comma 3 and minus 1 comma 3. The distance is square root of x2 minus x1 is 2 square plus y2 minus y1 is 0 square, that is square root 4. That is the distance, right? What is the radius? Root 10. Which is greater? The radius is greater. So obviously this point is inside the circle. That's what it means. Right? Let's take another way or look at other way. If I don't know the center, let's say I know only the equation, I can still do it. How do I do this? If I have equation of a circle and I have to check if x1 comma y1 is outside or inside the circle, all you need to do is to substitute the x1 y1 here, right? And see what is on the right side. I have 0 here. So if this is greater than 0, it is outside. If it is less than 0, it is inside. If it equals to 0, it is on the circle. That's what you need to do. Let me substitute minus 3 comma 3 here. Minus 3 square, 9, plus 3 square is 9, plus 2 into minus 3, this and minus 6 into 3. Right, 9 plus 9 is 18, minus 6, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 into 3 minus 18, minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6. Or otherwise these two get cancelled out, I get minus 6. So what am I getting on the left side? Forget the right side, right? It could be 0, it could be 10 or anything. Forget the right side for now. Only look at the left side. What am I getting on the left side? If I substitute x1 comma y1 or the point I am referring to, I am getting minus 6. If this is greater than the right side, then it is outside. If this is equal to what is on the right side, they are on the circle. The point is on the circle. If this is less than what I see on the right side, it is inside. Minus 6 is less than 0, right? What I am seeing on the right side is 0. So minus 6 is less than 0. So that means it is inside the circle, which is what we got here also, right? So that's how you find if a point is inside the circle or outside or on the circle.